This is the Tonor USB condenser microphone, and look how nice it is. It has a tripod as well as a shock mount, and it also has a pop filter too. Perfect. And this is plug and play. All you have to do is put it into your USB port of your Mac or PC or your laptop too. So simple and easy to use. This also is anti-vibration. Because of the special shock mount, it's going to reduce the sound of keyboards as well as vibrations, or if you accidentally touch the microphone too. This is also plug and play with a USB 2.0, and no additional drivers are needed. This is perfect for Mac, Linux, Windows, as well as PS4 operating systems too. This is also a cardioid condenser, and it also reduces background noises as well. Now, let me show you how nice and crisp it sounds. So right now, I'm recording through my lavalier microphone, but now I'm going to switch it over to this microphone, and you're going to hear the difference. Now I'm talking through the Tonor USB condenser microphone, and it's so easy to use, and it looks so stylish as well. And it doesn't take up a lot of space as well. Look how nice this looks. This is perfect if you're live streaming, talking on Skype, doing video chat, also recording videos as well. I was sent this from Tonor to evaluate, and I think it is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.